To find the fourths on a line, first I had to find the midpoint. I found the midpoint by using the equation x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. I plugged in the numbers that I used on my line, negative 5, 1, and 5 and 3. That gave me a midpoint of 0, 2, and that is right there. Then I had to find the first fourth by using the first coordinate, negative 5, 1, and the midpoint, 0, 2. I plugged that into the equation, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, and that can be seen right here. And then I did the math, and then I got negative 2.5, comma 1.5, and that is the first 1/4 point, and that can be seen right there. And to find the second 1/4, or the 3/4 point, I used the midpoint, 0, 2, and the last endpoint, 5, 3, and that can be seen right here. Then I did the math, and then I got 2.5, 2.5, and that is seen right there.